You are watching BitBNS News.
Today's headlines. Twitter expands Bitcoin Lightning Tips feature for Android. Floki cryptocurrency ads under investigation in UK. Australian Reserve Bank official says cryptocurrency is no threat to fiat, says Dogecoin. Bitcoin falls almost 20% after October's high. Crypto exchange Kraken announces to delist privacy-centric coin Monero. Overall losses from DeFi exploits exceeds $12 billion in 2021, Ecliptic report. Foundry USA becomes second largest Bitcoin mining pool amid China ban. Shiba Inu rumored to be accepted by electronics retailer Newegg. Social media platform Twitter has expanded its Bitcoin Lightning Tips feature for Android users. Launched in September 2021 for iOS only, the feature allows the users to set up BTC Lightning address to receive tips from their followers. The social media giant claimed the following back in September when they took another step to propel Bitcoin into mainstream. We want everyone on Twitter to have access to the pathways to get paid. Digital currencies that encourage more people to participate in economy and help people send each other money across borders with as little friction as possible. In order to activate this feature, users need to access their profile and press the edit button. Later, they will find the tip option which they can turn on and link to one of the Bitcoin Lightning Network wallets. The app lets users to choose how they send their tip and their own provider. The UK's advertising authority has launched an investigation into advertisements for the cryptocurrency Floki. The ads titled Miss Doge Get Floki have appeared on London buses and the underground. The team behind the Floki ad campaign says the advertisements are legally cleared and the advertising authority's action is attack against cryptocurrency and against the people's freedom of choice, a clear attempt at censorship. Dogecoin has continued to maintain its value despite numerous dips and has often led the argument of what really constitutes a valuable asset in the crypto market. The meme coin had paved the path for others like itself to shine, but the spotlights had not always been good. Nevertheless, the community support behind the pioneer meme coin has not flattered. Tommy Richards, an Australian Reserve Bank official, has dissed the meme coin recently. In what could be described as stray bullet movement, Dogecoin had caught some flack from Richards when making his case against cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has lost almost 20% in less than 2 weeks, proving that extreme volatility remains a hallmark of crypto investing. Yet in the world of Bitcoin, it's largely business as usual with bullish conviction intact, in contrast to traditional markets where the moves on this scale are met with alarm. The largest cryptocurrency slipped 0.5% to around $57,280 in early London trading on Friday, a sixth day of declines. One of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, Kraken, has dropped the top privacy coin Monero. Reddit users shared an email from Kraken that stated their decision to no longer offer Monero's XMR token to British consumers. The crypto exchange cited regulatory compliance as the reason behind delisting. The exchange will cease all XMR trading activities after November 26th. Along with that, deposits to XMR wallet will be disabled and any other XMR margin positions will be liquidated. Over the recent years, the total value locked in DeFi projects have skyrocketed from $500 million to nearly $215 billion. With this major increase though, comes the risk of scams and exploits. Since the start of ongoing years, such fraudulent activities have accounted for $10.5 billion worth of user funds that have been stolen in cases of theft on decentralized finance products. In comparison, the number stood at $1.5 billion for the whole of 2020. New York-based crypto mining service provider Foundry USA takes the lead to become the world's second largest Bitcoin mining pool after taking up 15.42% share of the network. Data from BTC.com shows the digital currency group owned Foundry USA stands behind the pool leader Ant Pool by a hash rate of just 4000 pH per second, which contributed to a 17.76% of network share at the time of recording. Online electronics reseller Newegg has ignited Shiba Inu acceptance rumors. In a cryptic tweet posted by the company, it tagged lead developer Satoshi Kusama as well as the official Twitter account of the second largest meme coin in order order to come into contact with them. Shiba Inu community immediately started speculating that Newegg might add SHIB as a new payment option.